Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a Delco T-400 model. The actual number is 22AT411, so I know that goes to some years of Trans Ams among other cars. And let's see, what does this customer have it installed into? 69 Bonneville. No guarantee that's the correct unit for the car's wiring, so that's why I went ahead and labeled every single terminal, because the customer reported that this was not working. It actually was working. It did need service, but it was working. So the problem he's having is with the radio speaker arrangement, having to do with this fader. And so since I'm not there to be able to troubleshoot the car wiring, I just went ahead and labeled all the connector pins as to what they go to. So let's make sure this thing still works before we send it back. Got some Neils to DACA. Change tracks a bunch of times.
Shopping around for I'm not gonna listen to the rumors business and from the pretty little alley. But it's fine, it's a star-spangled world. So don't you with a hunky-dunky monkey shine.
Your blank spot there.
Give it means wake up and live.
And that's this one that was blank before. Alrighty, so we know the 8-track's working fine, and so we're going to call it good, send her on back. And just for the sake of argument here, there's several inputs on this thing as far as the radio section. On one of the terminals, the radio output is unaffected by the fader position. On another terminal, the radio is loudest when the fader's at center. On another one, on another connector pin, the radio output is unaffected by the fader position. And then on the other radio output, the fader is clockwise for maximum volume from the radio. So that's going to be a fun project for the customer to figure out. I have to say I'm glad I'm not the one doing it. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. My phone number and website are in the description below. And of course, I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the website's for. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Larry, for your business all the way from Fort Atkinson, Wisconsin. And we'll see you guys next time.